Hello and welcome, my name is Bobby and you're watching Mind Island Design. In this video, I will show you how you can easily create an isometric grid in Illustrator. So let's just begin by grabbing our line segment tool and then just clicking and holding at the top left of our artboard and also holding shift on your keyboard to draw a straight line. Now with our new line selected, let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform and then select Transform. And then under our move settings right next to horizontal, let's increase our pixel size. And then this is just going to be the size of your column width. So for me, 20 pixels looks good. And now under our copies here, let's increase the number so we can get copies across our artboard. So for me, somewhere around 95 looks good. However, in your copies number here, you want this to be an even number. So these copies do not include our original line. So let's increase this to 96 copies, which should just be right on the edge. If I increase it to 97, you see it goes over the artboard. So for me, 96 copies is good because that means I have 97 lines. So let's just hit OK. And now I also want to decrease the stroke width. So somewhere around 0.25 points looks good to me. And then I'll just zoom out and then hold Alt on my keyboard. And also holding shift, drag out copies of this line. And now let's select all of our lines and then go to Object, Expand Appearance. And now selecting the center anchor point here and holding Alt or Option on your keyboard, you can drag out your lines, which just extends the height. Next, we can group these lines by pressing Ctrl or Command and G on our keyboard, or you can also go to Object and group your objects here. And now let's align these to the center. Okay, perfect. So these are our thin lines. I want to add some thicker lines every 4 columns. So once again, I will just draw out a line here at the 4th line. So by holding Alt or Option and Shift on your keyboard, we can drag this out 4 columns away. And then we can duplicate this last move by holding Control or Command on your keyboard plus D. And that just duplicates our last transform here. So let's just duplicate these lines across our artboard. Okay, perfect. And now let's select all of our thicker lines by selecting this icon at the top here. Select similar objects. So now that highlights all of our thicker lines. And then I will group these with Command or Control and G on my keyboard. And once again, let's just duplicate these lines to the side and drag these up as well. And then I'll group those and then align that to the center once again. So now we should be good to actually transform these lines into our grid. So let's select all of our lines, go to Object, Transform, and Rotate. And then you want to enter 60 degrees and then hit Copy. And then select Control or Command plus D on your keyboard to duplicate our last transform effect. There we go. Let's just go to View, Trim View, so we can hide everything outside of our artboard. So now if we zoom in, you can see we have a perfect isometric grid. If you're having issues setting up this grid or want to save some time, you can download this isometric grid template I made for Illustrator in the description below. And yeah, that is how you can easily create an isometric grid in Illustrator. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot to support the channel and to continue making content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.